Let my lawyers speak. I can speak.
Okay, sir.
I want to know your name and the outcome of today's, why we are here today and the outcome of the hearing.
Okay, my name is Nemeke Jofo. My colleague Patrick Agazie, Nwaha, and Umeoborogo.
And Obasi.
And Obasi.
Okay.
Yes, we came on behalf of our friends and colleagues, those who participated or those who were alleged to participate in a protest in October, on the 20th of October 2025, calling for the release of MAZI NNAMDI KANU. They were charged in this court for that particular action. But today, as we came in for hearing, but for one reason or the other, we are not able to go on. And the court was gracious to grant us the 31st of July for definite hearing. So come 31st July, we'll be here again, hoping that the matter will go on, and then we also hope to interrogate the witnesses that we brought, if they have any. But as of today, all the people were all happy with the outcome. We are happy that our clients all were present. Those who were present were present. Those who couldn't come because of ill health. And then one of them is actually standing trial in a federal high court in another matter.
Sure.
That's talking about Omoyele Sowore. So, but for today's proceedings, I think everything is good. Thank you.
Okay, so
you said for one reason or the other, you're not able to go on with the matter.
Like Omoyele Sowore, for instance, is before the federal high court. We cannot go into trial in his absence. Prince Emmanuel Kanu is sick. We cannot go on, we can't go on because of he's not in court. Thank you.
The summons issued by court. The defendants whom I represent, Alloy Ejimakor, appeared, but like my colleague have said, the matter couldn't go on because of the absence of majority of the defendants, Sowore, Prince Kanu, and all the rest. So court has adjourned to 31st of July for definite hearing. We hope to be back to defend the matter.
Despite everything that you see in the social media, I'm here to give you the assurances that we, as the defendants, I'm speaking for the defendants, we have implicit confidence in this court. It's not only a court of law, it's also a court of justice. So what we expect to happen before this court is justice for all of us. What is in play here is a conflict between the right of Nigerian citizens to protest or the right to freely express themselves, and the interests of the state in maintaining law and the order. And I do believe in the end it's obvious as to which proposition that will prevail. So we have confidence that ultimately justice will be done to all of us.
all right, sir. So we want to get a quick update on Nnamdi Kanu's welfare, how he's doing at the prison, and what's the plan with the appeal, and if the appeal is going to hold, is it going to be transported down to FCT for the hearing?
Well, yeah, the appeal is on course. As you all know, I made an update recently. The appeal process is quite clear and is cast in stone. We had done our grounds of appeal. We had done settlement of record. The brief is on. The government will file its brief. And then after the issues have been sufficiently joined, the Court of Appeal will schedule a date for adoption of these processes, which in common parlance is called a hearing, and is going to be conducted in Abuja, at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. And we expect that all of this to happen before the end of this year.
Okay, so is there any specific dates we're looking out for?
No, I cannot speculate on the calendar of the Court of Appeal, but I've given you a general window. We expect that it will happen before the end of the year, because we also have an abiding interest in having this matter accelerated. So we're pursuing all of that, and by the grace of God, we expect to be before the honorable justices of the Court of Appeal before the end of this year.
So how is his health generally? How is it doing?
Well, he's healthy, he's very fit and proper. The last time I visited him, He was healthy. I think he exercises himself inside detention. He's a man of very strong spirit. This is not someone you can break. He knew the risks and consequences of fighting for your freedom or of putting your foot forward for self-determination. Some of these things are predictable in third world nations, so he prepared himself. Even though this thing is not supposed to happen, the imprisonment is not supposed to happen, and the rendition that started it wasn't supposed to happen. The trial itself wasn't supposed to happen, not to talk of the prosecution. But we are facing reality. It has happened. So what we are doing now is seeking a way out of it, so that ultimately justice will be his. Justice will be done. That's our hope. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Move back. Hola, no. Which kind of travel? When they look for me now. You will use mic now. Right?